something that we've thought about intentionally and strategically. What do we automate, and what do we keep more of a handcraft process? And so we had to think about, what do my customers care if we're hand bagging bread, or would they be okay with it just going down a conveyor and slicing, getting packaged? You know, it was only, you know, I grew up putting bread in a bag, you know, two buns at a time for, you know, longer than I'd care to admit. So automating things that, you know, don't really impact the signature product. So packaging, you know, cooling. We're hoping to get to the baking, you know, more of a tunnel oven as opposed to rack ovens. But the rack oven gives us the ability to bake things at different temperatures and different time. So we'll probably have a mix of that as we grow, and use the tunnel oven for maybe some products that, you know, we do a lot of, run the hamburger buns through there, but maybe the specialty products through something, through the you know, the rack ovens, and go from there. So it's going to be a process. Yeah, we'll automate what we can, and keep the smaller machines to be able to have that flexibility to make what we need to.